What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at one of the video. Today we're gonna be doing a review and on feet over these Air Jordan 4 What This Man. Very dope shoe. I was glad I can grab it, add it to the collection. Before we get too deep into this video, you already know what the spill is, man. Go ahead and subscribe right now. We are less than 200 subs away from hitting 20,000 subscribers. That is so huge to me. I'm not gonna talk too much about it, but that's crazy, man. Less than 200 subs away from 20K. Shouts out to everybody that's been supporting the channel, that comes and like the videos, comments on the videos, chops it up with your boy, man. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you guys like the video right now and follow me over on IG at DeVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below as always. So all that being said, man, let's jump right into the details, the review, and on feet over these Air Jordan 4 What This, man. So here we have it, man, the What The 4. You can check it out right here. The first thing you pretty much see that stands out to me when I picked the shoe out of the box was the hang tag. Very dope, translucent hang tag right there, something different. I don't think I got any shoes that came with this one. Probably so, don't quote me on that. But this shoe is pretty much based off of the white cement 4 that dropped back in like 2016, I believe, or 2015, one of the two. But of course, they added 3 other colorways on top of it, like the fire red 4s, white cement 4s, and the thunder blue 4s, which you can see a lot of the thunder blue on the heel right here and on the tongue right here. Check it out. I'm gonna throw lots of B-roll in here so you guys can check out most of the details, some of the quality. And if you did not pick this shoe up, hopefully the B-roll and the on feet changes your mind, because this shoe is definitely dope. This is one of those shoes where I was like, man, I gotta get it no matter what. And here we have it, man. Your boy got them. So, and I got these for under retail. Picked them up from the PX, paid $160. You know, they retail for $200 today. But of course with the PX, they always give you that like 30 to 40% off the shoe. So I got them for $160, no tax. Can't go wrong with that. Check out the side. You have the fire red lace holders right here. You can see the netting the same as how the fire red 4s came. And on the midsole right here, you can see that white cement going around the whole shoe, just like on the original white cement 4s, man. It's going all the way around the inside and on the outer of the shoe. And they have the same outsole as well. On the insole, you have Nike Air branded, and the quality is just super nice on this pair compared to, you know what I'm saying, the original white cement 4s. Checking out the right shoe, it came with extra black laces. I could have swore the shoe came with like some red laces and some thunder blue laces, but they didn't. That's the only thing they came with. But you see right here, this one has the thunder blue colorway in the netting and on the lace holders right here. You have a fire red tongue. Check out the heel, man. You have that Nike Air. And on the outsole, it matches the same as the bread 4s, man. Check it out. So I guess you can add the bread 4s in there as well, because the midsole and the outsole are identical. There's so much going on with this shoe. I'll probably be talking all day, but I do want to get you guys' opinions on these. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you didn't pick them up. If you think they're gonna go on sale, you think they're gonna sit for a while, you think they're gonna hit the outlets. Let me know something in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm glad I was able to pick these shoes up today, add them in the collection. One thing I just noticed on the laces, they have like numbers on them. I don't know what the numbers mean. I'm gonna show you guys some B-roll of it, but one of them says 4364 and one of them says 4369. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe it's nothing to it, but I never seen nothing like that on lace tips with the shoe. That is it for the review, guys. Thank you for tuning into this video. I don't know if I'm gonna do the white laces or the black laces, but you guys are gonna see. I'm gonna mix match it just so you can, you know what I'm saying, gauge and see which one you want to throw on your shoes whenever you pick your pair up. I appreciate all of the support, man. We're less than 200 subs away from that 20K. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a share, a like, and comment down below and let me know if you pick these joints up. Follow me over on IG at DeVintage World, man. Link will be in the description box below. And we have a special giveaway coming for you guys very soon. So make sure you hit that notification bell for your boy. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this on feet, man. Let's get it.